Hi everyone, welcome. It's week 2 with our circle here, right? Last week we talked about ideal client, and hopefully you got really clear on what your ideal client is, and wrote it all down and got very clear. Clarity is huge, right? We talked about that last week. So this week we're going to talk about levels of service and what you provide to your client and what are you communicating to your client. Levels of service is I had 3 levels of service when I was in business. So the first level was basic product. So you basically just sell product to your client, right? They could be mutual funds, GICs, life insurance, disability insurance, critical illness, all those types of things. So products. So they just come in and buy a product, or you just sell them a product, and it's transactional based, and it's kind of a done deal. You might see them again, you might never not, right? So that's just kind of the basic retail part of it. The other level I had was called the what kind of services I provided. So if I did say a tax plan for them, an estate plan, a financial plan, a debt management plan, whatever, all these planning tools we did, that was the second level. And then I had a third level, which was the called the lifetime enrichment process. And what that was is a 1 year process I put my clients through, and I'm going to talk about that more next week because that's our topic for next week. Is the process. So that'll be our topic for next week. But the biggest thing is on with this levels of service is communicating it to your client. When I was in business, I did a questionnaire to the majority of my clients, and one of the questions in there is, "What do you think I do for you?" And a lot of people had trouble answering it. You know, they thought I was maybe just a sales guy. They maybe thought I was just a tax, did their tax returns. They had trouble really clarifying it. So that meant to me that I wasn't clear communicating to my clients what we actually did in our office. So I changed my whole approach after that and got clear and started handing out, pieces of paper, and every interview in the file we had here. This is our levels of service. This is what we do as a company. This is who does what and everything, where we specialize, and really started communicating to that client because they didn't really know what we did. And we were in business for years and years there, right? And some of those clients were 20 years with me, and they still kind of had trouble finding out what I did. So that was my problem because I wasn't communicating to them what I was doing. So I want you to make sure you communicate your levels of service to your client in any which way you can do it. And what I like doing is, talking to them about it, or also having a piece of paper to show them, this is what I do. These are the products I sell. This is, all that types of stuff, right? So very important, and you can put that on the internet and your website and all the rest of the stuff. I'm sure you got that, but really get clear and really communicate to your client what you do, because a lot of times they just think you're a salesman pushing a product, right? So very, very important. So that's my message today. Keep it short and sweet. And next week, like I said, we'll talk about the process a little bit more and getting clear on what you do with your clients and how you deal with them. So have a great week, and talk to you soon. Bye now.